guys, I'm Camila Mejia, creator of 320 Pure. For more than 17 years, we have been dedicated to the research and development of hair care products with natural and vegan ingredients. All of our products are water-based, free of artificial colors, parabens, sulfates, and alcohols. The Earth line is made for people with coarse hair texture. It recovers over-processed hair, and let me tell you why you need these babies in your shower.
Moisture Rich Shampoo nourishes, repairs, and strengthens hair, retaining moisture and elasticity and giving it a lustrous shine. Ideal for daily use to repair split ends and hair that's been damaged by chemicals, relaxers, and heat from high-temperature styling tools.
Moisture Rich Shampoo is formulated for daily use on chemically damaged hair that has been excessively processed by relaxers causing split ends. It revitalizes follicles damaged by heat and UV rays, high temperatures from irons, blow dryers, and other hair products. It contains a blend of 100% natural extracts such as amalaki, argan, wheat germ, vitamins B9 and E. It nourishes, repairs, strengthens hair, and retains moisture while giving it an extraordinary shine and softness. 320 Pure contains Baruti fruit oil, which is considered the richest natural source of beta-keratin, with properties that absorb ultraviolet rays, reducing dryness and increasing elasticity. Moisture Rich Shampoo is the new household essential.